Jai Shri Krishna friends, welcome to my health and taste. Today we are going to make a very yummy recipe which is cheesy fries. I just love it, so I thought I'll share with you. So for this we'll start by making a cheesy dip, for which in a pan we'll heat milk. I've taken 1 cup of milk. To this I'll add 1 cup of cheese. You can add more if you want. And then to this we'll add salted butter, which is around 1/4 of a cup. I've taken Amul butter here. You can take whatever you have. Then just mix it really well and heat this mixture until the milk thickens. So once the milk thickens, just turn off the stove and cover it and cool it until it comes to the room temperature. Now I'm using frozen fries for this recipe, for which I have just taken out the frozen fries like 10 minutes. For around 10 minutes I've kept them out of the freezer, otherwise they splutter a lot when you put into water because of the frozen ice on the fries. So now you just fry it on medium to low flame, and then once they are done, once they are golden brown, just drain off on a tissue paper, and then we'll transfer these fries to a bowl. To this we'll add some salt to taste. I'm using rock salt. Then we'll add some cheesy dip, the dip that we prepared, and then to this we'll add chili flakes and oregano seasonings. You can add mixed herbs if you have, and then that's it. They are ready to be served. Enjoy the fries. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.